Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to permanently delete your Codecademy account using the website on your laptop. Whether you are taking a break or moving on, I'll guide you step by step, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. So let's step right into it. First, you need to open your browser and go to codecademy.com. As you can see, I'm already on my browser and codecademy.com is already open on my browser. After that, make sure you have logged in into your account. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. Now after that, you can simply tap on your profile icon and go to the drop down menu and select account plus billing option on the second one. Simply click on it. After that, this type of interface will come up on your screen, and if you see in the left side of your screen, there will be different type of options like account, goal settings, mail settings, linked account and delete account. You have to simply choose on delete account, and here the confirmation will be asked by Codecademy to simply delete your account, and it says you can delete your account at any time. However, this action is irreversible. That means once deleted, the account cannot be brought back. That means once the account is deleted, the account cannot be brought back. Now you can simply tap re-login to continue, and it will ask your credentials like username, email and password. Once you have logged in, another pop-up will come up saying delete account, and you may be asked to confirm your password once again, and you can simply type or enter confirm there, and your account will be now permanently deleted. You will now get a confirmation email once the process is complete, and that's how you can delete your Codecademy account on your laptop. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy learning wherever your coding journey takes you.